What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today we are going to be fixing a broken cooler hinge. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so as you can see, this thing is completely broken. It broke off the little tab right here, but I'll also show you guys how to fix the one that has the screwed in plastic hinges as well. It'll be the same fix. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and get a scrap piece of garden hose. I'm sure you all have one. We'll just cut off a good little length, and then we're going to cut it open. Cut the piece open so it'll be flat like that. Now if you had the cooler hinges with the screws, you just take out the screws and you're going to put this patch underneath the screws and then screw the screws back in, and this will act as the flexible hinge part. But since I don't have these, I'm just going to screw these right into the cooler. Alright, so we're just going to want to place it like that, and then get yourself some screws with some washers or some washer head screws. We should be able to just screw this into the plastic without even pre-drilling, but you can go ahead and pre-drill if you want. Let's put 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Alright, so there's 2 layers to the hose. I ended up just taking off one and using one, and it ended up working better, but it works. I had to actually put a couple little ones inside too. That is good to go, guys. Alright, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, check out my other videos, and stay tuned for some other cooler videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.